This one has rooted. For Gardenia cuttings, cut a semi-hardwood branch. Remove all the leaves from the bottom, leaving only one pair at the top. Cut the bottom of the stem at a 45-degree angle to increase the water absorption area. Find a container and fill it with free tap water. Place the prepared cutting on a foam board and let it float in the water. Roots will develop quickly. 4 roses. Select a branch that has bloomed this year. Trim off the excess leaves at the bottom. Cut off the spent flower at the top to reduce nutrient loss, leaving only one pair of leaves at the top. Find a flower pot and fill it with clean vermiculite. Insert the prepared cutting into the medium. In about 30 days, it will develop roots for lemon trees. The process is even simpler. Take a leaf with a bud and a bit of stem. Trim off any excess bark. Find a plastic cup and fill it with clean nutrient soil. Insert the prepared lemon leaf cutting. Water it thoroughly. Then, cover it with another plastic cup upside down. Secure it with a clip. Place it in a cool, ventilated area for care. In about 40 days, it will root. Go ahead and try it at home.